Hello guys, welcome back to TechBiz. So guys, as we said earlier that we will make a video on this mobile joystick and we are making it now. So let's get started. So guys, this is the product. It says dual analog joystick for smartphone gaming, and it says joystick, mobile phone, pad, pod, touch. I don't know what he's struggling to say, but it is there like that. So now let's open it. This is the joystick. As you can see, it's very cheap, and I bought it for just rupees 10 in an in a small shop. So guys, these are totally waste of money. As you can see, only this joystick is working and this isn't working properly. This joystick suction isn't very good. So guys, please do not waste your money on these type of cheap joysticks. If you are really a PUBG lover and you want a joystick, you can buy it on Amazon or any other trusted websites. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, leave a like, share this video, and after subscribing our channel, do not forget to press the bell icon. We will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.